Dressing like a pro, the incredible generative fill option in Photoshop 2024. Choose your favorite selection tool and select the area where you want to use the generative fill option. Click on Generative Fill, type suit for example, and press Enter or click on Generative. Choose one of the first 3 variations. Or for more variations, click again on Generative. Let's choose this one, merge the layers, and then remove the background. Now, we need a new background, so let's type Studio Gray background. Make little corrections if needed.